Hey there, this is Andrew Monaghan with the Monaghan Group, a real broker. And today I'm going to be answering the question of how do you sell your house for more money? There's so many different people that think they either have to put a massive amount of money in to remodel a house or they just try to sell it as is. The answer to all of that is it's somewhere in the middle where a little bit of effort goes an awful long way. There's really three things that comes down to this. First one is making a positive first impression. We want the buyer, as they're arriving at the house, to take your home from being another house on the list to being their potential home. We do that by making sure that all the basic repairs are done, it is clean, it's tidy, and it's inviting when they get there. Turn on the lights, make the air conditioner at a temperature that encourages them to relax, and get any of the objections out of the way that they might think about the quality of your house. The next one is kind of affiliated with the first one, but it is really make the most of your space. You're going to be moving in a couple of weeks anyway. Declutter, which means taking all the stuff that's extra from the property. Depersonalize the house so that the buyer, when they're walking through the house, is looking at where they can put their stuff, not the pictures of your vacation and wondering where it was actually taken. It takes away from their experience. And we want them to actually go from the purpose of when they start out, everybody starts on a logical thing. I want a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, I want a condo, I want a house, I want whatever, to when they're actually moving into their property and they're looking at it and it goes from logic to emotion. In over 3,000 houses, I've yet to see somebody that buys a house on logic. There always has to be some connection for the buyer that says this is going to be my home. The last one, and it's one of the most obvious, is work with a trusted realtor. Find somebody that is very active in the business, somebody that's got high reviews, somebody that's got great bona fides from past clients and experience that they have in the business. Oftentimes people will work with the first realtor they meet, which may or may not be the best fit for you. Go interview the realtors. If you have any questions in regards to our market, give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about what's best for you. Thank you so much for watching. This is Andrew Monaghan with the Monaghan Group at Real Broker. If you have any other questions or want a little bit more information on this or any other topic regarding real estate, give me a call. Information is right below, and I'd be delighted to chat with you.